Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and the other day I made a video for you about the 5 things I hate about the Tesla Model 3. Today I'm going to do the 5 things I love about the Tesla Model 3, and here they come. Alright, I'm back, and today we're going to talk about the 5 things I love about the Tesla Model 3, and they are my top 5. You may have 5 different things. There are 50 things I love about the Tesla Model 3, but I just picked the top 5 for me that I love for me. So number 1, actually let's start from number 5. Number 5, I don't want to be Mr. Obvious, but number 5 is I love this car design in terms of seating and trunk space. This car is 20% smaller than the Model S, which is a huge car. It's a humongous car. This car, it's perfectly designed. Whoever designed this car should get a Nobel Peace Prize. Maybe not. Anyway, the seats, they are so comfortable. The back seats, you can sit 3 adults. The trunk, the front trunk, it's just perfectly designed. So I love the design of this car. It's not too big. I don't like big cars. I used to, not anymore. The design of the car, the maximization, this car is maximized. So I really, really love it. Number 4, it's also connected to the design, and that is really the visibility. This car, because the nose is short, you really can see everything. Really can see everything. I mean, the visibility and the all the assistance that you have from the screen in terms of blind spots and everything, and all the mirrors and everything is really. And the way the back window is designed, you can really see, and if you can see, you can react. I don't want to compare it to other cars, I can, but it's really a very good, wide, beautiful. The window, the ceiling here is really great. The way it is designed is fantastic. Number 3 is I really love the voice command in this car. Really do love the voice command. You can find every song, I mean, in terms of the music, every song that you can imagine. Really, I mean, it's not 100% obviously, but you can find so much music in this car through the voice command. I mean, my sons love it, absolutely love it. The way you can just press, ask for music, and it will come out. It's really great. The entertainment, the library that the music library that they have, it's really, really absolutely awesome. Number 2, which is another really obvious thing, is the range. This is the battery is 75 kilowatt, gives you 310 miles of range. This car is your only car. There's no issues of finding superchargers and all that. You can really go anywhere with it. You don't have to worry about it. This is a car that if you use it on a daily basis, you would charge maybe once a week. Give you 250, 260 miles. You don't have to charge it to 100%. It's just awesome. It's just absolutely awesome. And I want to tell you that it eases your mind. It just, you are no longer have to worry about any range anxiety whatsoever. And number 1, which is connected to number 2, of course, it's the supercharging infrastructure. Right now, I'm in front of a supercharger that is being built. I'm going to show you some photos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stalls at the Rockaway Mall in New Jersey. It's 10 minutes from my house. It's being built. It's not ready to go, and this is one of the greatest things about the Tesla idea, I call it, the Tesla idea, that you can come, this supercharger, for example, is 1 minute off Route 80, which is right here. And you can come, watch a movie, go to the mall, have something to eat, and you're ready to go. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. So these are my 5 things, and I hope that you can give me your reaction. Maybe you can tell me your 5 things or 6 things, whatever that you like, or one thing that you like the most. All right, guys. Thank you, everybody. Let me know your comments and questions. Meantime, don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time.